Hello everyone of the internet. I'm back again with another video here. Just going to give you a quick update tour since we rearranged everything at Christmas time. If you didn't see our last video, it was just a quick little time lapse of some of the stuff moving around. We did move probably 75% of the equipment around here, so let me just walk you through the shop now and see the brand new layout. One of the first changes we made is hooking up this dust port on the bottom of our dust collector. It now vents directly into a dumpster outside, cutting out a half hour of our time with dumping dust. It also means our dust collection is an entirely sealed unit, cutting down the amount of ambient dust in the shop. Here's our Senatec N300. That didn't move, but if we look to the right, our edge banner used to sit here. Now you can see our V200 is there, backed by a grinder, which is brand new to us. And also we got enough space here that we moved some of our dovetail equipment here, so we have a sander and the CNC dovetailer right here on the back side of the beam saw. So we're actually cutting all of our solid wood on the beam saw now and then machining them right here before going over to the other side of the shop for assembly, which we'll see in a sec. So we'll come through this way. So as I said, the CNC didn't move. The V200 is shared between the N300 and the B200, which we now have set up in a better position now. Got ourselves a lift table where we access it from the back there, along with a new pallet rack that we have room for. We actually pulled everything this way an extra 30 feet to make room for this new edge bander, which we'll come back around for. So we do most of our cutting now on the saw. The only thing on our CNC is all of our MDF doors and any kind of curved or corner cabinet part where it isn't possible to have a straight cut. So our components will go from the saw into the vertical CNC, get doweled, and then come back down on this laneway. These two laneways give us double the capacity of what the 4 lanes we had before. Here you can see our parking spaces for our cabinet carts from our previous layout, which obviously can't go there now. Now we park all of our cabinet carts right in the corner next to the assembly bench. So here the Bonnison did not move. The entire assembly lane did not move. But what did move is our brand new Homag edge bander. This was the main reason to move all the equipment. This edge bander is 35 feet long. It took 2 forklifts to pull off. I'll try and get a clip in it here of the unload. But with the length of it, we had no choice but to rearrange the whole manufacturing cell. Here's a better look at the cell. Our operator runs the saw, the vertical CNC. The N300 runs basically passively, so he just clears the table as it comes off. Dowels everything. That's one person. Sends all the parts down. We have an edge banding operator. Edges everything. And here is our new hardware bench. Previously, we had a hardware bench in a different location that was shorter, double-sided. We would edge all of our components, have them sorted into our cabinet carts over here, and then we'd end up moving them all the way to another bench, just the hardware. So here in the middle is our custom area, as always, but things have rearranged again. So we have a pallet rack here to act as a divider. Here's our shaper to make gamma rail doors from Tafisa. And here's the other half of our dovetail equipment. So all the parts will get machined over by the saw, which I showed you previously. We'll assemble them and notch them all here. Another new addition is that we have a door clamp, which has been a godsend to make our 5-piece doors which previously I was doing with hand clamps. So now part of the finishing has moved. Previously, our edge sander was in the middle of the floor, and we had a pallet rack here where our dovetail equipment was. So now dust collector is here and our edge sander is over here, giving our operator the chance to move the components right from this conveyor right onto the sanding conveyor, which feeds the Chefla. So there's the quick walkthrough of our new 2023 layout. With this efficient cell that we've created, there's now only 4 people on the shop floor in this 22,000 square foot space. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next.